of the new parts of our mission is to discover. And although we've been doing a lot of discovery on Bald Head Island for 30 years, we wanted to really promote this because we are involved in more research than we ever have been doing in the past. We have a lot of unique technologies that we're starting to use, including our drone UAV program, where we're able to look at beach vitex, which is one of the invasive plants in the dunes, do vegetation surveys, look at erosion of the beach. It's going to be a really helpful tool in our tool belt moving forward.
Educating our youth is such an important part of what we do here at the Conservancy. We want to make sure that our children, our next generation of leaders, are connected with nature and respect and appreciate the wonderful environment around us.
Our nationally recognized sea turtle protection program here on Bald Head Island not only fulfills our mission to conserve species on the beach of Bald Head, but we also fulfill our mission of conserving by the research we conduct and the organizations we collaborate with, such as the University of Georgia, Florida Fish and Wildlife, North Carolina State, and UNCW. Without the Sea Turtle Protection Program at the Bald Head Island Conservancy, the beaches of Bald Head could potentially look different. There'd be no runways to protect the hatchlings from getting to the ocean instead of going to the light of Wilmington. Imperiled nests laid below the high tide line that would just get washed away and not have the ability to incubate. There would be no cages. Being able to place the cages as well as reinforce and develop new and better cages allows us to continue protecting this wonderful species that is the legacy of Bald Head Island.
Discoveries that we make here are not just applicable to our island. We're part of a network of scientists where we share information about barrier islands and how they function and help with a greater scientific understanding of these unique environments. Because Bald Head is such a small island and development is increasing, we're in a unique place to notice changes as they occur pretty quickly. People who live and work on Bald Head Island are pretty sensitive to this and aware of this and try to work and live as sustainably as possible. The Bald Head Island Conservancy works towards preserving land on Bald Head Island in perpetuity for conservation purposes. One example is the Ibis Sanctuary on Middle Island, which is a really large tract of land right at the end of the island. And it's a beautiful place to visit, to see birds, to see fish, and to observe the vegetation as it was before we had much development on Bald Head Island.